Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with Saturday Morning Crafts collaboration. Our hosts are Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01, and Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures here on YouTube. There are also some other ladies in this collaboration. I will have everybody's links in the description box below, so make sure you follow along with this Saturday Morning Crafts collaboration. This is the final Saturday that we are doing this collaboration. It is coming to an end, but it was a lot of fun, and I hope that you enjoy the projects that I'm going to be sharing with you today, and I hope that you will visit everyone's channels and go back if you've missed any Saturday morning crafts episodes with us. All right, so I'm going to be sharing with you a few projects, a couple of the dies that I did use in these projects today. I used this Sizzix die that I picked up from Tim from Tuesday morning a while back, and I bought this a while ago and just never played with it. I had intentions on using it, but never did. So I finally made a project with this die right here. And then I also pulled out this Sizzix Pinwheel die. This is a really fun die, and it creates pinwheels. It's the Pinwheel, a 3D pinwheel. So I used that, and I also used a few other dies, and I'll just kind of share with you as I go along. All right, so this is my first project share. As you can see, I made a shaker, I guess, shaker bell jar. It's like a candy jar, and this card was actually inspired by Amador here on YouTube. He had created a macaroon card, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago. And that is why I originally purchased that die, because I was inspired by his card. And I thought, how fun would it be to create a Halloween themed candy jar? So that's exactly what I did using that die. I did use some foam to pop it up to make my shaker. I used a variety of sequins, and I did use a little candy die that I have in my stash. And so I punched it out, or I die cut it out of black glitter and orange glitter, and then I layered it with this little layering piece that it comes with on top of some pattern paper. And then the background paper reads Happy Halloween. And then I die cut out a couple of tags. I used the Michael sticker Boo. This fun twine is from Hobby Lobby. I die cut out some bats. And then I also added some enamel dots, and this sticker says, "How are you doing?" And again, that's a sticker from the Michael's Halloween section from this year. And I think it came out super cute. I really love this card, and I love the way it shakes, and it's just really pretty. And on the inside of the card, I just finished it off like that. I did use this die, this frame die, which I've shared with you all before, and then I stamped a sentiment that says "Friends till the inevitable end." I just thought that was kind of went with Halloween, and so yeah, I went with that, and I think it came out absolutely adorable. So thank you, Amador, for that inspiration, and I hope I can make a couple more of these before Halloween so I can put them in my boo baskets. But love this card, and I have to buy more foam. That's why I didn't make more than one. I actually used up all my foam. But anyway, I love the way that this came out. So that is my first project share. And then the second project is this super cute pinwheel. I did share this on my Instagram, but I used the pinwheel die, and I layered it with this really pretty rosette. This is the rosette from Sizzix. It's the peacock rosette that I hauled from Hobby Lobby. I layered it with this embellishment that I shared with you all before, and it is layered with these little ghosts, and I have some tulle layered, and then these fun little die cuts and the little ghosts, and it just says Boo Crew. And I just dangled some pom-pom trim from my pinwheel, and on the back I finished it off like that. Just use some circle dies and then this Boo die, and that's how I finished off the back of the pinwheel. And I like that it's with that black glitter cardstock. It makes it look really, really pretty. And I'll be able to stick this in one of my boo baskets, and it's just a cute little decoration, and my friends can, you know, pop it in a jar or something in their home, and it'll be super cute. And I do plan on making a few more of these. So really, really fun. And I did use a straw that was in my stash probably from last year, probably from Target. So that is the second chair. And then last but not least, I did alter this Coffin Box that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It looks like this. You probably can still pick them up if you're lucky. But all I did basically was layer it with some pattern paper. I used my Creative Time coffin dies, and I had made this embellishment previously, but I went ahead and layered it on this coffin box. I added some of those flowers from Michael's, and I think that came out really, really fun. I'll be able to add some fun treats in here, and again, stick it in a boo basket and give someone a fun treat this year for Halloween. And that is it. I used the witch die and the cauldron die, which I've shared with you all before. And then that little cat, it comes with that little cat right there. And then of course I die cut out the stars and the moon. And this little sticker, it says, "I will never leave you." I think that's a Tim Holtz sticker from this year's Halloween section. But really, really fun. And I love the idea of altering these little treat boxes from Dollar Tree. It's just fun. And you guys know I love doing my boo baskets. If you haven't seen my boo basket video, I'll link it down below. I do share with you the process and how I put my baskets together. I'm actually going to be making my sugar cookies this week, so I will be prepping my sugar cookie icing and all of that fun stuff. So I'm getting my stuff ready to go to send out to all my neighbors. But that is my share for you today. I am going to do a giveaway since this is the last collaboration. So if you followed along to the end of the video, in your comment, just write the word boo somewhere. If you do that, I will enter you into the drawing to win a prize pack from me. I do have several dies that I will be gifting the winner. So just leave a comment, be a subscriber, make sure you follow the other ladies in this collaboration, view their videos and leave comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.